Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. This is Honey and hope you're doing fine today. Today I'm going to teach you the basic of knitting. One day I was on live on knitting and I got a lot of requests on how to do the basic knitting. I'm going to teach you how to start and some basics about knitting. So I have here my yarn and my knitting needles. So we have different types of knitting needles. So this is the stick one and this is what they call the circular. We use the circular whenever you make like a blanket. So when it's too long, it's so easy for you to do it. You will learn as we go, but for now we will take one at a time. So I will be teaching you the basic of knitting. And the first one that you have to learn is casting. So I always use the long tail. So this is what you call the tail. And then the other side, this is what connects to your yarn. So when you do in every pattern, there's always like how many casting that you need to do. So to know how much is the tail for your casting, all you have to do is to turn this around to your needle. For example, we will do like 15. We will cast 15. So you will turn this around to your needle 15 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So you're gonna release it and this will be your tail. And then you're gonna hold it like this and your hands facing to you. This is the one that connects, again, this is the one that connects to your yarn, and this is the one that is your tail that we counted. So we're gonna cast 15. So you put this, the one that's connected to your yarn, you put this on top of your thumb, and the one that is your tail, you put this on your first finger, and then you hold this all together, and then you lock it using your two hands, and it will be like this. It depends on, as you go along, it depends on where you are more comfortable, but this is the way I do my casting. So you're gonna get this one and then go to your thumb, and then you get this one, and then you pick up the one on your first finger, and then you pull it inside and then release. Make sure you are doing it loosely, not too tight, so it will move. So this is already 2. When you start, that's already 2. So then you're gonna put again your two hands inserting, and then you're gonna do like this, and then again do like that and pull it, and then you pull it with your finger. Okay, that's 3. And then you're just gonna It's not so easy at first. I find it too hard, but you just keep on practicing and then you're gonna learn this. So after that, you're gonna insert again your 2 fingers and then do this like this, and then pull the one on you and then pull it. So I'll do it so slow so you can follow me. Okay, so we are at the end of our tail. So let's see if we did it right. Let's see if we made it to 15 casting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So that's the right thing you do. Okay? You turn around your needle so you will know how much is the length of your tail. Tail is much so important. So when I finish my casting, then I gonna just tie it a little, just like make a bow. So you want, I just do like that. Okay, so this is your casting. And then the next step that I gonna teach you is knitting. So there are types when you do it. It's not only all knitting. So knitting is the front side, and on the back side is the purls. So we will do the knitting. So from this, you're gonna turn around like this, and then you're gonna grab another side of your needle. And this, it depends. Some people hold their thread like this, and me, I don't know, I am more comfortable holding my thread like this. Okay, so let's kind of slowly learn on how to do the knitting. So your thread wheel is at the back, and then you slip your needle on the first hole here, not this one. If you, not the 2 okay, you see that? So you put your needle only your first thread on the front, and then slide it, go to the back, and then this needle you turn it around, and then you pull it from here, and then release this one. Release the first one. That's your first knit. We'll do it again. Insert it to the first one, and then turn your thread around, pull it, and then release. I will slowly do it, and as you follow me. On the last hole, this is so important. On your first line, you don't have to do this because this is my own style, I don't do this because it will make a big loop. So instead, I get the one from the back and then knit it last time. And then release. So only for the first row of the last one. That's the only time that you're gonna do it. Okay, so that is your first knitting. So then we're gonna turn it around, and to have like all front, so you're gonna do, because this is knitting here, so if you do knitting here again on your second line, then it will be front and back. So what we're gonna do is we do purl, because this, we turn this around, so you're gonna do purl, so the other side of your purl is knitting. Okay, so to do the purl, you put in knitting, you put the first line we have, we put your needle, you put your thread at the back. On purl, you put your thread on front, and then you grab this one. So from top going down, you notice the difference. On knitting we do like this, on purl you do like this. Okay, and then I hold like that, and then you turn around your needle, and then you pull it, and then again release it. Do it again from the top going down, turn around your thread, pull it, and then release it. Follow me as I do it slowly. So there you go. That's the purl, and this is the side of the knitting. So before you're gonna make a project, you're just gonna practice this all over and over again. How to master your casting, how to do knitting, how to do the knitting and the purl, and then when you master all these 3 basic steps, then you can now start a project. Thank you again for watching, everyone. And before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another video. Stay safe, have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.